I'm Heather at the Crestview Library, and I have a challenge for you, Summer Reading Challenge 2020. So the reading logs are already available on the front desk, and each day there will be a limited edition of these lovely hats available, the kits. There will be a video. Miss Ginny's going to teach you how to make them. So there's a reading log for ages 6 through 11 that has the different dates of the challenge from June 6th through July 15th, and then there's stickers, and you can put a sticker on each circle for every day you read at least 20 minutes. And then the teen challenge is the same days, doesn't start till June 6th. And then same days, but it's a little bit different. Because you're teenagers, we want you to read for 30 minutes. We thought it needed to be a little more challenging for you. And then you may write the titles that you read if you'd like on this handout with it as well. So also available out front when you pick up your reading logs, besides the logs and the hat kits, will be your choice of a bookmark. So those are fun. And then new this year, we're going to try where you can enter each week for a drawing for a prize. So the first drawing that we'll do, you can choose, whoever wins will get to choose between this little keyboard, which will play songs, or you can use it as, it works as a keyboard when it has batteries not included. Or there's an RC car, batteries also not included. Or there's this fun little swag bag with the crossword puzzle on the actual bag, and there are some goodies on the inside, including a piggy bank and other things. All right, to help you make wise money choices. So the way the weekly prizes, the way you enter for that is every time when you have finished reading 5 days. So let's say you read June 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. Well, then you can enter. And you can either enter by emailing me at hnitzel@myokaloosa.com. Sorry, hnitzel@myokaloosa.com. In the subject line, you're going to want to put 5 days or something put 5 days. That'll help me find them. Or you can come in person and fill out your information, child's name and phone number. We don't really need to know the address. And you can tear off the ticket that has the info and put it in this green box and keep the other ticket for yourself to help claim your prize. So each week, at some point, we will draw a name and see who gets the 5-day prize. So even if you skip days, let's say you read June 6th, 8th, 10th, 12th, and 14th, or something like that, as long as you do 5 days, then you can enter for the prize drawing. And after 5 more days, you can enter again. So, all right. And we really hope you are reading this summer. There is curbside pickup available, so you can email Crestview Library Holds at myokaloosa.com to get, and you can place hold on 5 items that are currently in our library as of right now. So, and be watching our Facebook page, because we imagine things are going to be changing as our health environment gets safer and safer in our county. So if you have any questions, please give us a call at 682-4432, or you can shoot me an email, but it's probably better to call. All right. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Good morning. Nice to see you. Kind of. Today we're going to be working on a hat, Peter Pan or Robin Hood style, whichever you prefer to play for the day, and it gets worn like this. So this is a pretty easy. You might have to have your mom help you a little bit with an iron, but when you come to the library to pick up your kit, you're going to find a kit like this. It's just a piece of felt with a stitching in it. You're going to reach up inside, poke down the center, and turn it right side out, so that all the stitching is now on the inside. You have a nice little triangle. You can adjust the point of your hat according to how you would like it. Now I'm going to put this way so it's facing the camera for you so you can see. Now you're also going to have a little feather. This piece of material has sticky on the back. I would recommend that you just leave the sticky there and we'll use glue. So first you're gonna decorate your feather if you'd like. You can draw some lines on it and some squigglies to make it look more feathery-like. That's your choice. And we're gonna just follow the lines on the foam. Cut that out. So now you have your feather. Now you're going to take your hat material, you're going to take the bottom, and you're just going to fold the edge up. Crease it a little bit if you'd like so that it stays steady. You can flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to take your feather, you're going to put it towards the back of your hat like this. So you're just going to need a little bit of glue on the lower portion of the feather. And you don't need much because you're going to be gluing it all together anyway. So you can just press that feather right in there like that. And now if Mom's there to help you with a hot glue gun, you can use hot glue or you can use Elmer's. We're using Elmer's today. Just going to take your little edging here, flip it over a little bit. Give it some good glue in there. Now later on in the day when Mom's not busy and she's got a few minutes, maybe she can even open up her ironing board and iron this a little bit flatter for you, and that'll make it help it stay a little bit stiff for you on your head. So then you're just going to glue that down nice and tight. Make sure you let all your glue dry before you try it on your head. We don't want you to have glue washed out of your hair now today. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. String some glue on. Refold it and press that down. Now, like I say, the mom can iron this for you, or maybe she can even show you how to work the iron later. But you're definitely going to have to let the glue dry. Might need a little bit more here. If you have anything heavy, like any books or something like that, that while this is drying you can lay on top, that would be a plus too. So now then you're going to just let this dry for a while. And when it's all dry, then it's time to play. I think I'm playing Peter Pan. Where's Tinkerbell?